Hello, Nayumie, can you hear me? Hello, Nayumie. You just woke up, eh? No. Okay, cool. What topic are you doing in school, eh? Don't know. Macam dah bored lah. Why you bored? Okay, come, we try. We try ratio, okay? You are using shaping maths, targeting, or my pals are here? Your textbook. My pals are here. Okay, show me your textbook. Can you show me the cover, please? Now to see, was there a change in the textbook?
I don't have it with me.
Okay, so you're doing, are you doing standard or you're doing
Foundation.
Foundation, foundation, yeah. Let us go through foundation. Yeah, I'm gonna let you through a foundation paper and then we see how. So there will be stuff when we follow the class lessons. Some of the stuff we don't follow because once you sec one, you have to know all this. But meanwhile, I will search for it. But try all these you must know how to do. Can you try this first one? Sorry, yeah. You got your answer, huh? What's your answer? What? Can I hear?
46.
Well done. Okay. So I'm now going to show you a sample PSLE paper. This is a foundation paper, paper, which is slightly easier. You notice that? Okay. So go through lah. And we're going to keep count. Okay. This is 1 mark. I think. Very easy, Liza. Just look at the pattern, you can see. Your sign is not good, you can type also.
Number 4.
Number 4. So it's quite simple, right? So that's 1 mark for you. Okay, which one is? I will keep score at the chat. Okay.
Number 1.
Number 1. Okay, so you're going for the shortest. Remember, we can add zeros in a decimal and it doesn't change the value like that. See, I've done 350, 488, 427, 510. Which one do you think is the answer?
Number 4.
Number 4, this is 510, you know, 427, 298, 350. Smallest.
Number 2.
Yes, number 2. So next time you have decimals, you make sure all of them have the same number of digits. Okay, then you can compare. All right, so this one because you got some help here. Try the next one. Okay, now what's the value of the digit 1 in 431008?
Number 1.
Number 1, well done. Huh? So now you got 2 out of 3. Yeah? Which fraction is the greatest?
Number 1.
Number 1. Well done. So when the denominator is smaller, it's a bigger number. What's the height of a classroom door?
Two meter.
Well done. You can see the foundation is very easy, you know. So if you want, you can score 80 marks, 90 marks. But remember, whatever you learn in the other class, you must remember, because once you go to normal academic next year, inshallah, you have to remember all the stuff that was not covered in your foundation. So don't remain in foundation, and you must remember, okay, foundation this year, okay, never mind. Once next year, you don't go to normal tech, you got to try your best to go normal academic. You're gonna push yourself. Okay. What's the area of the square?
$24.
24, how you get 24? 6 times 4, is it? Ah, are you finding perimeter or area? They're asking you for area. You're finding perimeter lah. I show you perimeter. See what do? You take perimeter means the outside. You do not want the outside. This 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 times 4 lah 24. That's the outside. You don't want outside. The formula for area is length times breadth. So try again.
Six times 6.
Yes, 6 times 6. What's your answer?
12.
6 plus 6 is 12. 6 times 6 is not 12. Come on. Come on.
36.
36. Okay, I cannot give you a mark for this one, right? Because you got it with some help. So your score is still 4, but it's out of 6. And you got 4 questions out of 6, correct? Let's try the next one. Percentage is covered. Percentage is covered still. So after ratio, doing percentage, try this one. Make it into a fraction first, and then times by 100.
Not sure.
Okay, so now, what is percentage? Do you know? What is percentage? You know, percentage, this is the sign for percentage. Can you see this is like a fraction? One number over one number. But percentage is actually a fraction, but the denominator must be 100. So let's say it's 5 over 100. This is called 5%. So when you say 5%, you're saying it's 5 over 100. And if you say 18%, if you say 18%, it's 18 over 100. That's what it is. Percentage is fraction, but the denominator is 100. Now, how do you get 100? Very simple. Just take any fraction, let's say it's 2 over 5. Just times by 100, you will get this percentage. So if you do like that, you'll get the answer will be 40%. Okay, if you calculate with 40%. What is this 40%? It's actually 40 over 100. So your job is to make a fraction first. What is a fraction? One number over another number. That is a fraction. So you try now. Can you make a fraction first? You tell me now what number over what number did he spend?
90 of 450.
And just what you do now, you times by 100. That's all. You will get your percent. You try it, but you cannot use calculator for paper one. You try that.
9,000 of 450.
What again? 9,450. You cancel lah, reduce lah, reduce. You can cancel the zero. You cancel the zero. Both can divide by 9. 45 can divide by 9, 9 can divide by 9. Cancel, right? 1. So, 1. Now you get, so divide by 9, divide by 9. What do you get?
Thousand of 450.
1,000, 9,450.
1,000.
What?
450.
Why you didn't divide the 450? You divide by 9 already. Bottom must be 9. 450 divide. Okay, so we do one by one. Can I cancel the 0? Can you see cancel 0? Now there's no more 9,000. Now it's 900 over what? 45. So now you can divide by 9. Now what is 45 divided by 9? What do you get? 45 divided by 9. 45 divided. Then 9 divided by 9. Come on, miss. Come on, come on.
100 out of 5.
100 over 5. Good. So now you go one more step. Imagine now you cover the 0 here. Can you reduce on 10 and 5? Then later you put back the 0. Later you put the or later put back the 0. Now you remove the 0. Divide. What do you get? Divide by 5. Divide by 5. After you divide, then tambah the 0. What's your answer? What's your
2 out
answer?
of 1.
12 over 1.
2 out of 1.
Over 1. But remember to put back the 0, so become 20. 20 over 1 is 20%. You know why we have to put back the 0? There's now we divide 10 divided by. So now you must put back the 0 because there's a 0 here. Put back at 20%. This is your answer. Okay? Get it or not? You don't get it. You eating so nice. What is it? Okay. So can I give you marks for this one? I won't. Okay, we try to be fair. So it's still 4 this time out of 7. Because I was guiding you. It's only for unguided ones that you will get the score. So you know roughly how much you will score. I think you have no problem, inshallah, to pass the people. Let's see, let's see. Okay, one set of 4 hair ties. So okay, one set of 4 hair ties. So the 4 hair ties cost $2. Alia must pay for how much for 24 hair ties? No using calculator. Try, try your best. Can do, no?
Two.
2. Answer is 12, you see? Congratulations. I'm just going to run through how to do this again. But you got it correct, well done. So 4 hair ties cost. So now you want to go for 24 times by 6. So do also times by 6 here. So 2 times 6 is 12. So well done. You got a point for this one. Is very good. So your score now is 5 out of 7. So you also tested angles. Do you go to different class now for maths? How you understand what the teacher is teaching? Do you like your class or not? Last year you don't like. So you don't know what was happening. Okay, try this. Try this.
I'm not sure.
Okay, no problem. Okay, so let us look at the lines. It tell us AB is a straight line. CD is a straight line. So this angle is the same as this angle. Okay, these two angles are the same. So that means this y plus 70 is 130. Y plus 70 is 130. So what is y? You can find they are the same. 130 equals to the two angles.
66.
60, yeah? So 130 minus 70, I get 60. Because these two angles are the same as this one. Okay? So you must remember every time you have like that, anything like that, this angle is the same as this angle. Then what about the other side? Oh, this angle is also the same as this angle. But they must be straight lines. They tell you straight lines. Okay? These are called vertically opposite angles. Number
480.
Well done. Well done. Okay. So again, I'm just gonna run through. I think you will have the same thing, right? 1 minute. 8 sheets. So you want 1 hour 60 minutes. So you times by 60. Did you times by 60? Yes, right? You times by 60, right? So times by 60, yeah, you will get 480. Lah. 60, 400. So not many worksheets. Okay. Let me see. I want to just check how many did you get correct. For maybe 7, 7 out of 10. But here we go. They want to know which of these is more than 2.45 but less than 251. Remember the clue, you can add zeros to this one. There's 3 at the back digits. Make sure there's 3 here. Make sure there's 3 here. Then you can compare all of them. Which one is more than 2.45 but less than 2.51?
Number 2.
Number 2. Well done. So again, I'm just going to revise to see whether you did the same thing. This you change to 2.0 and this one is like 2.510 and a 0 now. So if we want a number that is falls in between, 2105 is like smaller lah. You can imagine it without a dot. Yes, 2,150, something like that. So it's 2,515 outside. So 2,550. So when you add the zeros, you can see clearly. Well done, well done. Percentage. Remember, percentage is fraction. How much money did he have left? That is the question. How much money he had left? How's it? You know how to do? Total amount of money is 100%. You must remember, 100% refers to the total amount of money. 100%. So now he spent 60%. You minus 60%. This 60% is what? Is the amount of money spent. So you minus, you get 40%. Minus 40%. 40% is the amount of money he had left. So he had how much left? 40% of his money left. 40% of his money, how do you write maths? 40% over 100 of means times of what? $5. Can you find out what is 40% of $5? Your answer.
$200 out of 1.
200 out of what? 100, right?
Yeah, 100.
Reduce that, cancel the zeros. How much you get?
$2. 2.
$2. Yeah, correct. $2 is the answer. So he spent $3. 5 minus 3, you get $2. That's what it is. So we have to practice more in percentage. Maybe we'll start later on. Start very basic stuff. Okay, next week we start very basic stuff. Now down here, do you know how to change fraction? This to fraction. You know, we revise. We revise. So down here, whenever the fraction is over 10, over 100, or 1,000, or even 10,000, we can change to decimal. So down here now, if I put 1 over 10, and you see over 10, now here you put dot, 1 0, 1 blank. This one, 2 zeros. So put dot, 2 blanks. The number in front here depends on what number. If let's say there's 3 here, we write 3. If there's nothing, we write 0. So now then around here in the spacing, you write this number here, 1. 1. Down here is 3. You write 3 down here. All the rest 0. This one, nothing here, put 0. Let's say you have 3 down here. 3, 12. How to write this? 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3. Put a dot on here. 1, 2, 3. And then how? 12, right? 12 here. This one, 0. The number on here, 3, because it's a 3 whole number. So whenever the fraction is 10, 20, 100, 1,000, you can change straight away. But sometimes you have like that. Change it to 10. How to change to 10? Times 2. Times. What do you get? You get 2 over 10. Now you can change. Now you can change. What do you get? Okay? You understand? So you try now. You try now. Change this. Oh, this one now. Okay. I must teach you now the other way around. Sorry, now terbalik now. How to change this one to this? You look, if this is one blank, that means it's over 10. Put 1. Blanks after the point, that means it's 100 over 100. Put the number 3 on top. Can you see now? If 2, put 2 zeros. 3, put 3 zeros. 12 on top. 3 at the side. So you try now. Then after that, you must reduce. After you do that, you have to reduce, then you get the answer. Are you okay?
How to change it to fraction?
Yes. So now down here, okay, you count now. After the dot, how many digits are there? 1, 2. So you must be put over how many?
500.
Yes, 25 or 100. Good. So, but you see, but now the answer, you must divide now. Divide by 5, reduce to lowest terms. Divide by 5, divide by 5, what do you get? 25 divided by 5, what do you get? What times 5 goes 25?
50 or 20.
Okay, you divide by 2, 50 or 20. Okay. All right, 50 or 20 is correct. And then can you 50 or 20? Can't get 50 yet. 5 lah, 5. Okay. 5 times 5, 25 out of 20. Now can still divide by 5. Divide by 5, what do you get?
One out of 4.
Well done. So timetable got to be slightly faster. You can get your answer faster. Well done. Well done. Congratulations. Mr. Ram bought 800 grams of sugar. He needed to pour 50 grams of sugar in the cups. So how many cups? That means now that every cup you put 50 grams of sugar. So 800 grams, how many cups can he pour the sugar in? Can do, no? You know what to do, no? No. Okay. Now, whenever you see the pattern, there is a pattern. What is the pattern? Okay. Okay, this is the pattern, eh? The person needs to pour. Oh, needs to pour the sugar into cups. So now you have a packet of sugar, 800. You want to pour into cups, and you want to find out how many cups this one gonna pour inside. When you see something like that, it means it's divide. Because you're gonna divide 800 into 800, 50, 50. So you divide it by 50. Now, once you do that, you can find the answer like that. 800 over 50. Cancel 1 0, can cancel 1 0. Now you have 80 divided by 5. Now you can do like 80 divided by 5. Then you can find out. Divide by 5, 1. Minus, you get 3. Bring down the 0. Get 30. 30 divided by 5, get 6. You don't need to complete the working now. Okay, why? Because you already got the answer. Right? So answer is 16. Okay, I'm going to change the question you try to do. Huh? Okay, now he has, let's say, 500 grams of sugar. And each cup is going to pour 20 grams. So how many cups can we pour the sugar into? Can you try that? Can or not? Again?
25.
Not that. Try one. A rectangle has a length of 17 cm. So whenever I get a question like that, you know, I do because it will help me imagine, something like that. Then I'll start to label it. So it says 17 here, 70 cm, 12 cm. They ask you what's the perimeter. What is the perimeter?
Number 1.
Number one, but we have forgotten something. Perimeter refers to what? It refers not only to the 12, and I think it refers also all round, all round. This plus this plus this plus this. So you have to plus another 12. You have to plus another 17. So you got to add together lah. 17 plus 12 is equal to 29. This 17 plus 12, 29 also. 58. No, 68. 58, yeah. Okay, so you must plus all. Okay. All right, we do a that's perimeter. Area is 17 times 12. So now the next one. The last one. I need to explain something, but this area down here, this surface area, okay, the mistake lesson. This one only refers to this area of this gray part, okay? You must find, so this square, the area is 81. Square cm. What times the same number, because it's a square, right? What times what equals 81, same number. What times 181?
Times 1.
1 times 1. What times what? 81. Same number.
9.
9 times 9. Good. So that means you know this is a cube. The length is 9, the breadth is 9, the height is 9. To find the volume of a cube is length times breadth times height. So 9 times 9 is 81. 81 times 9. That's your answer now. 81 times 9. So 9 times 9 times 9, you get your answer. You can use a calculator lah if you want to for this one. Or you can try yourself, no problem. What? Again?
729.
Well done. Okay, well done. I want to ask you now, what topic do you need help with before we do? What's a topic in school that you think you don't understand in school? The teacher explained, you don't understand. What topic?
We only started on a bit of decimals.
How are you at decimal? Are you okay? Or you need help? You're okay. Why you look so down? What happened? Why they say you look not so cheerful? What happened? You have a lot of problems. You have problems? You sure? Be cheerful lah. Nayumie used to be cheerful. Okay. I'll see you next week. I'll see you on Sunday, okay? So whatever you learn on Sunday, any extra stuff, you must still try to, even though not coming out for PSLE, you must remember you will come out for a second. Okay? So I have one student who's in foundation. This year say he didn't concentrate for one part, let's say the circle. Then he said, yeah, I do not know how to do now. So it will come out in second one. Okay, you take care of yourself. Bye-bye.